Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Infinix Zero 8i versus the Realme 6. And guys, both phones give you a same MediaTek Helio G90T chipset with the 8 GB of RAM on both these two devices. On the back, we get a quad cameras on the back on both these two devices as you can see. And also both phones is running on Android 10. We have a Realme UI version 1.0 on the Realme 6 compared to a XOS version 7 on the Infinix Zero 8i. So very excited to see who is going to be the fastest one. So without any wasting time, let's get right into it. Now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And you can see on the logo it is a little bit more faster on the Infinix Zero 8i and followed by the Realme 6. And very excited to see who is going to be the fastest one. And you can see we have a XOS versus a Realme UI. And you can see in the Infinix Zero 8i it is way faster when it comes to booting up. And you can see while the Realme 6 now it is also done about 1 or 2 second difference there. And guys, you can see that both phones give you a very different display. We have a full HD IPS LCD display on both phones, and also we have a 90Hz refresh rate on both these two devices. And you can see but we have a single front facing camera inside this punch hole on the Realme 6i compared to a dual front facing camera on the Infinix Zero 8i. And you can see, and now let's see the app's opening speed. And guys, everything is closed up in the background and you can see no app is running in the background. And guys, also both phones is running on the same Wi-Fi network. And the first application we have is the phone dialer, and you can see that is a little bit faster on the Realme 6 followed by the Infinix Zero 8i. So now let's check out the settings on both phones. Here we go. And that is again faster on the Realme 6 followed by the Zero 8i. So now let's check out some more application. We got Amazon Shopping, some more application launching at the same time, and you can see that both phones is perform about the same, which is obvious because both phones give you a same MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. Let's see the scrolling, and both phones give you a very smooth scrolling. We have a 90Hz refresh rate on both phones, which makes everything more smoother. And now let's see Instagram, and that is little bit faster on the Realme 6 because we have a better software experience on the Realme 6i. I believe I don't like the Infinix UI over the Realme UI because this phone give you a more stock Android experience. And you can see, and now let's see the Snapchat on both phones. Let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. And again little bit faster on the Realme 6. And now let's see Spotify, and that was exactly the same on both phones, and you can see. And now let's see some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and both phones give you a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset. Let's see who's faster there. And you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i it is just a tiny bit faster there if I'm not wrong. The Temper and 2 on both phones, and let's see this time who is faster there. And you can see about the same on both phones. But I have to say Realme 6 is just a tiny bit faster there, but at the end I see that both phones is about the same. And now let's opening up the Twitter, and that is definitely faster on the Realme 6 this time. Let's see Zedge, and that is little bit faster, I would say about the same on both phones. And again both phones give you a very smooth scrolling. Now let's see the Subway Surfer, and you can see that the Infinix Zero 8i it is just a tiny bit faster there if I'm not wrong. You can see about the same on both phones. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones, default camera app, and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. You can see that Infinix Zero 8i it is faster there followed by the Realme 6. And let's see internet browsing speed. I'm seeing default Google Chrome on both phones, and we got wikipedia.org, and that is little bit faster on the Infinix Zero 8i followed by the Realme 6. And let's see the scrolling. In the start I noticed some lags, but after some time both phones give you a 90 fps scrolling, very smooth I have to say. And guys, and the next on the list is the WWE.com. It is a heavy website. Let's see who is faster there. And you can see that Infinix Zero 8i it is just a tiny bit faster there if I'm not wrong. And now let's see the scrolling on both phones. And guys, both phones is perform equal, no lag whatsoever, 90 fps, very smooth scrolling speed. So now let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and guys, both phones give you 8 GB of RAM. So very interesting to see who is perform better in the RAM measurement. Now let's start off with the phone dialer. That is refresh on the Infinix Zero 8i. Let's see settings. That is not refresh. Amazon shopping. That is refresh on the Zero 8i. Instagram, and that is not refresh. Let's see Snapchat. That seems like refresh, I believe. Spotify. Let's see Candy Crush Saga. Refresh again, and you can see almost all the application it is refresh on the Infinix Zero 8i. Let's see Temperament 2, and you can see that's a power of a good software optimization. Now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh on both phones. Zedge, refresh, I believe. Subway Surfer, refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say, and the app's opening speed is definitely a little bit faster on the Realme 6i in system based application, but I have to say in game map or in time both phones is perform about the same. And the RAM measurement, it is absolutely incredible on the Realme 6, while the Infinix Zero 8i is performed really bad in the RAM measurement. I hope the RAM measurement will fix with some software updates in the future. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Infinix Zero 8i versus the Realme 6. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.